turn this shit off. I love it. I got my Dyson. This is one of the best things that came out of 2024. Yep. Look at my hair, look at my hair, look at my curls.
Hi guys, I'm gonna be sharing my blowout routine using the Dyson Airwrap that I won from a giveaway by one of my mutuals on TikTok. I'm going for this Garnier Fructis leave-in for moisture, as well as the Color Wow Dream Coat for humidity, and some Chi Silk Effusion for silk, because I'm gonna be doing a silk press after. I decided to go for this moisture repair leave-in conditioner because it's very lightweight and doesn't have that much oils, and it also helps with freeze, and you know nobody wants a freezy silk press, right? Tell me why I thought it was a good idea to open this thing with my mouth. Like, girl, be for real.
My lip is about to be silk. Silk infused lips.
I'm using a pea-sized amount of this silk infusion because that's pretty much all you need, because you don't want it to weigh down your hair and you don't want your hair to be greasy. I'm also trying to figure out this Dyson app that came with the Dyson, but yeah, we're just gonna figure that out later. If you want to achieve the perfect blowout, it starts with how you wash your hair. I clarified my hair and then I made sure it was like squeaky clean, followed up with a moisturizing shampoo, and then I dip conditioned with my steam cap just to replenish all that moisture back in. You want to make sure you use heat. You can use a steam cap, a hooded dryer, or you can even use plastic bags. Just make sure there's no roaches or anything in that bag, okay? You also want to wait till your hair is damp and no longer dripping before you actually start blow drying it. It helps you to avoid breakage and freeze. I like to part my hair in sections when I'm doing my blowout. It just makes my life easier. Then I spray the Color Wow Dream Coat and make sure my hair is saturated with it. And y'all, I did not see that one coming. At least we know it works, right? I'm starting off with the fast dryer attachment to concentrate the air and also speed up the drying process. I do like to stretch my hair out to its full length, but not too much on the pull-in, which can be bad for your hair. So don't pull out, just elongate the hair. I'm following up with the round brush attachment. I don't think I mentioned this, but I'm using high heat and the fan is on medium. Yeah, the way this stretched out so fast is so insane. Like, this is exactly how long it took me. I didn't speed up this part of the video and there's no like cuts or anything. Like, coming from using so many round brushes, like I just didn't expect this drying time, y'all. One thing I noticed quickly is that the body of this Dyson did not overheat. Like 90% of the hair tools I've tried, they always get hot. You know what I'm saying? I had this disposable gloves on because the studs for my nails kept snagging on my hair when I was like sectioning it. So at first I thought the glove was kind of helping with the heat, but y'all, it's plastic. When I took it off, I quickly realized that the Dyson was just that good. And when it comes to handling, the size is so user-friendly. Like, I just love the grip because most round brushes actually hurt my hand. This one doesn't. And don't get me started with how shiny my hair looks. Like, you can literally tell that this blow dryer is working.
I freaking love this. Are you joking? This is about to be like the best blowout I've ever done in my 5 years of being natural. It's just light and like fluffy. Oh my goodness. It's like, stop. And it's so quick. I don't know how to explain it. Like, I have used so many round brushes. I have tried different combinations. Like, I used a boar bristle brush like about 3 weeks ago, I believe, with like a blow dryer. And I was thinking, wow, this is the best blowout. But it's such a struggle to do by yourself as a DIY girl. If you're doing somebody's hair, you could like easily do the boar bristle and like hand blow dryer and just like focus it where you need it to be, and then you do that. But for yourself as a DIY girl, I was like, wow, this is the best combination. But I cannot be doing this on the long run. But baby, let me tell you, Dyson, I did the first section and I was like, wait a minute. It's giving like I just did like one pass of a straightener at like 350. The silk is about to silk. You get what I'm saying? Like, and one thing I love, I do have a similar blow dryer that I was sent by a brand. I never got to post their content. I'm sorry, but it was like a free gift. Like, I didn't really have to post it. But yeah, they did it so right, because when I'm doing my hair, or I don't know if it's a natural hair thing, everything is like greasy and like slippery. This, I don't know what magic they use on the body. You don't have to worry about that. And one thing else is the location of the buttons and how they did the buttons, perfection. I am even when my hand goes up here, it doesn't do anything to this buttons. Like, you guys get what I'm saying, you know when you're using a round brush and you put your hand in the wrong place, you're turning stuff off, you're changing the temperature, like everything is slippery and dripping, like you cannot hold the thing. Like sometimes I literally have to like grab a piece of towel or napkin and wrap the hand. Let me show you what I'm talking about. I have something similar. It's like Fence Go, like pretty much the same vibes and stuff. It's nice, but why do they use this shiny glossy material? That's the only problem. It annoys me so much. Like, why would you do that? Do you know like what's going on? Like when we're doing our hair, like there's serum everywhere and your hand is slipping down. Like, baby, user experience. Like, it's almost the same vibe, but this does not blow dry the same way. Like, it's nice. I don't know what they did. The bristles, y'all, the bristles, that's the trick. Like, they figured it out. And babes, and look at the buttons of this one. You see how this is like push, and if you were slipping around, you have adjusted the temperatures and everything. Like, it's so annoying. The timer, baby, I don't know if they thought it through, but they did their big one. And my hair is about to be real smooth, real fluffy.
All right, now I'm gonna keep quiet so you can watch the Dyson in all its action. Bye.
And one more thing, my hair is not on there. I don't know where it is, but it's not on here. Like, I don't know about you guys, but when I use a round brush, my hair is all over the bristles. Like, baby, I haven't been this excited in a long time. Dyson, you did your big one. Oh, praise Jesus, hallelujah.
If you're in America, how are you guys doing? Like, since the TikTok ban, I personally feel like the app has been a bit off since it got restored. I'm finding it hard to get back into like posting. Like, the energy is very off especially when scrolling. Like, it's giving Instagram like either something is missing or something has been added. Is it just me? Let me know in the comment section. I will be posting on here a little bit more than I usually do, so check out my shorts if you haven't already done so, and make sure to like and subscribe to see my silk press.
Let me just tell you, the way you do your blowout is the most important part of a silk press.
Anyways, see you in my next video. Bye.